Traditionally, you will make this awesome Spanish stew with beef, but we're using the best pork in the world. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today I'm making Iberico hanger steak picadillo with hanger steaks from Campo Grande. The first thing that we need to do is prep all the ingredients that goes into this hearty Spanish stew, so let's get started with that. We're going to start by finely dicing 1 large yellow onion. We also want to dice 2 red peppers. And we also want to dice 4 golden potatoes. We got a nice 1.7 pound Iberico hanger steak here from Campo Grande. So let's open up the pack. The hanger steak consists of 2 steaks, and we want to trim off a little bit of the silver skin and some of the excess fat. And look at the beautiful color on this meat. We want to cube it into medium-sized cubes. Then we want to season them with salt and pepper. We're using our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost. All the ingredients are now prepared, so let's start cooking. We're going to pour some olive oil into a pan over medium-high heat. Then we want to brown the Iberico hanger steak cubes on all sides. And listen to that beautiful sizzle. It smells really good in the kitchen right now. When they have a nice, beautiful brown color, we want to remove them from the pan. Now we're going to add the onion to the pan. And if needed, you can add a little bit of extra olive oil. We want to saute the onions for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then we're going to add 6 tablespoons of minced garlic. You want to keep sauteing for another 2 to 3 minutes. And then we need to add the peppers. We also want to add the potatoes. We want to season it with 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. Now we're going to cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. We want to add 2 cups of white wine to the pan. We're going to add the Iberico hanger steak cubes to the pan. Now we want to cook the wine until the liquid is reduced but not completely evaporated. We're also going to add 30 ounces of tomato sauce. You want to keep cooking this, and then we're going to add 3/4 cup of raisins and 3/4 cup of pine nuts. We need to salt and pepper. Now we want to gently simmer this stew until the potatoes are cooked. If the sauce is too thick, you can keep adding a little bit more wine or water. And that is how I make my Iberico hanger steak picadillo with hanger steaks from Campo Grande. So here we go. Here's the picadillo, traditional Spanish stew. So let's try it. Come on. So good, so flavorful. I really hope you try this at home. Happy with it.